Something by the Beatles is considered one of the most beautiful love songs ever written. It starts with this great introduction lick. In this ukulele lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play Something. I'm going to teach you 3 ways to play that introduction from beginning to more advanced. I'll take you through each part of the song, adding chord embellishments. This will prepare you for the play along section at the end of this lesson, so please stick around for the whole video. A simple way to play it is to play the F, pick the open string, add the ring finger to the top string at the 3rd fret, and take it off. Then switch to E flat, then to G7, and to C. Great chord progression there. A more advanced way to play this is to add a string bend, and this mimics what the lead guitar is playing in the studio recording. What I'm doing here is I'm playing F, and then I'm going to slide that index finger up to the 5th fret, picking both the 2nd and the 1st string. So I'm doubling the note at the 5th fret, the A. It trains your hand to be very light, flexible. Now once it's on the 5th fret, place your ring finger on the 7th fret, pick that note and bend it up and bring it back to the 5th fret. Okay? When bending a string, it's a good idea to have all the fingers placed on the string, push up, and try to get a smooth connected sound. Once you play that, it's E flat, G7, and C. I encourage you to rewind this section and really get this lick under your fingers. It's so great. If you'd like to get printable versions of this song sheet and bonus lessons each and every month, please join the Ukulele Zen community. There are links down below where you can learn about the different tiers of membership and all the benefits waiting for you. And if you're digging this video, please reach out, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what tunes you want me to teach you next. Now let's get into the verse. There's a beautiful chord progression here from C to C major 7, to C7, and then to F. What's happening with these chords is we have this downward motion, this descending melody on the top string. Let's play through this together. 2, 3, 4. Something in the way she moves attracts me like no other lover. Now before we move on to the rest of this section, I want to teach you a couple of embellishments you can add to it. The rhythm I'm playing is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And down, 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 up, down. Just try to feel your way through a slow, heartfelt rhythm. The things you can add to it are right here on the C major 7. I'm going to bounce my ring finger on and off the note at the 3rd fret. And what that does is just adds a little bit of melody to the interior of the chord. You can use that same idea right here at the C7 by sliding your index finger to the 1st fret of the 2nd string. And what that does is that creates a C7 suspended 4. It's a lot of jargon, but really all it means is that you're adding a little lift to the chord, a little more harmonic interest on your way to the F. Try adding these as we play together. Here we go. Something in the way she moves attracts me like no other lover. There's really no right way or wrong way to add these. Just feel your way through these embellishments. Right after that, I approach the D7 chord with this descending line. And that's very similar to what the Beatles do on their recording. After I land on the F chord, my middle finger hops up here to the 5th fret, and I'm playing 5, 5, open, 5, down to the 4th fret, 4, 3, open 4. I'm picking it too. Right to the D7 chord. Of course, you could go to a D major chord and walk your way down to the D7. After that, you play G. Now check this out. From the beginning, 2, 3, 4. Something in the way she moves attracts me like no other lover. Something in the way she woos me. Just hang out on G. If you want to do something more advanced, you can do this. On your way to A minor. Now what am I doing there? Playing G, open G string. Then I form this A minor 7. That's frets 4, 5, 3. And then I play a G7, frets 5, 7, 5. So please pause the video, use this little chord motion, and then get your way to A minor. That's how I like to play it in the chord melody version. Once we get to this section, the chorus, I don't wanna leave her now. We have another descending melody. I don't wanna leave her now. You know I believe it now. Back to the lick. You can play it the simple way or however you like to play it. Please check the links in the video description below to receive printable copy of the song sheet, bonus lessons each and every month. There are all kinds of great perks waiting for members of the Ukulele Zen community. Now for the bridge. This is the section, you're asking me, will my love grow? For this, we begin with an A major chord. You're asking me, C sharp minor, barred at the 4th fret. Will my love grow? F sharp minor, which is really just A major with an extra finger added to the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. Then lift it off and you get back to A. After that, we move to the D chord. I don't know. G. I don't know. And you can just hang on that chord. There's a fancy pants thing I'm going to share with you in a moment. First, let's play the other section. You stick around, now it may show. I don't know, I don't know. And it changes keys back to C. Now the fancy thing I wanted to share with you goes like this. I don't know. That's very similar to what the Beatles are playing on the recording. What I'm doing is I'm just sliding from the 5th fret, playing both strings, doubling that note, and it just goes 1 fret at a time, down, until it gets to the open string. In rhythm, right, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Primordial way of counting it. Let's try the whole thing. 3, 4. You're asking me, will my love grow? I don't know. I don't know. Now that's optional. You can just hang on the A chord. They'll be just great. Then you play the second half. You stick around, now it may show. I don't know, I don't know. Now, right after this, there's a guitar solo over the verse chords. but we can go directly into the third verse and just play to the end. So how you feeling out there? Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Let's play the entire song together. Please leave a comment down below with any questions or just want to say hi. I always love hearing from you. Thank you for watching. Let's play the whole song, start to finish. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Something in the way she moves attracts me like no other lover. Something in the way she woos me. I don't wanna leave her now. You know I believe in now. Something in her smile, she knows that I don't need no other lover. Something in her style that shows me I don't wanna leave her now. You know I believe in now. You're asking me, will my love grow? I don't know. I don't know. You stick around, it may show. Well, I don't know. I don't know. Verse chords. Verse 3. Something in the way she knows, and all I have to do is think of her. Something in her things she shows me. I don't wanna leave her now. You know I believe in now. And end on a C. Thank you for playing along. Really appreciate you watching all the way to the end. Have fun learning and sharing this song with your friends and your loved ones. Remember, you can play it in the simple way or add those embellishments that I shared in this video. Look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Keep jamming. Keep on smiling.